Hi, my name is Olivia, and what are you reading? Today I'm talking about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This book is by Roald Dahl. My favorite thing is probably when he finds the golden ticket in the chocolate, and it's really exciting for him because he never really got big opportunities like that. He probably felt shocked and surprised and very excited and happy. A big theme in this book is, well, if you want something, you probably should keep trying for it, even if you're getting knocked down, you should still get back up. You can find books like this in your local library.